You done? Well, I want to get the cream and put it in my coffee. I only see your butt, Taser.
You know why? Dougie can never come in our house.
This is too big.
Dougie likes farts, he likes farts, he likes farts. Oh, you know you need a big piece of melted Swiss cheese on that, right? The other one's purple.
Are they partners?
They look healthy.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Funny thing to say, I see a seal here every time, and then there he was.
He'll
Same thing he
probably,
did last.
he'll pop up somewhere different. Cool boardwalk. Let me get a video of it.
Those look awesome.
Very interesting clouds. The luxury resort. Look at this. They have sandbox for the kids.
And people would fly in, and they would have one of those planes that land in the water. They would be up
Yeah.
here, and they would take you from Seattle and bring you up here. And
Honestly, you probably have a really nice sunset right here
Sarah,
from your room.
who's one of the people from Gleamers, and she said that it would just be like Bill Gates and all the Microsoft team would be here all the time.
Yeah.
And they would just book it out and sit here and probably see why.
Yeah, it's nice. That's a nice place to have a drink because it's like, you know, the view is beautiful. Yeah, that moss is growing over there on that pier.
So cool.
It's pretty
I
neat.
just been out on that so many times. Those are clams. Watch the squirts in the ground when he starts walking around. See him squirt? Those are clams. He got one. He just got a razor clam.
They are like a really
See him
powerful.
squirting all over the place? They're all squirting and freaking out because he's around. They can feel him walking, and they know they know that it's him, but it tells him where they are. So he just waits for one to squirt near him, and then he'll dig into the sand and grab a clam, and then he'll go up in the sky, and then he'll shoot down and he'll slam it against a rock, and he'll eat it. It's pretty neat, actually. Like the whole thing, is just so fucking cool.
Why can't I see it? You making noise?
It's the crow.
He was down there?
Ground. He went down and hit the ground and came up like that right there.
I probably scared him. Look at this guy up here. He's got his lookout spot.
Never seen it exposed. I didn't know it was exposed. Usually we come out here and it's full.
You might get pooped on. I guess the water comes all the way up here, huh?
Yeah, man. So the lady that I met today, her husband is a firefighter in Seattle. If you're ever looking for the seagulls, there's about 10 million of them on that rock outcrop right there. That's where they hang out. They love it there.
They must have nests over there.
I'm sure they do, and then they also wait for all those fishermen to come in, and then they dump stuff in there. We watch them do crazy stuff. See, like,
They eat the fishes. Oh, look at it. There's some waves coming up. Wow. What
They're
happened?
coming towards you right now, so you want to step back a little bit.
How does that even happen like that so
I
fast?
think it's both, but I'm not sure.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, Ryan got really freaked out when he saw that. He's like, is this a tsunami?
It could be a mini tsunami.
He feels that way.
Do you, yeah, it's covered there. Totally covered that. But, I don't see a boat. Oh, it's
They
stopped.
come through, and then they'll actually be in there by now.
Oh, there was a boat. I heard something go
Right, and then
by.
the wave will come.
Well, that makes sense, I guess. See, it's calming down. Wait, are we stepping on dead crows? Because this is where they are. That's very strange that there are just so many, though. Is it alive? There's a bunch. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why would they throw them back? They're broken or something? But then the fish would eat them. I mean, the seagulls would eat them.
Such a beautiful peninsula.
An island now. Totally an island. Let's go up. Seaweed stinks.
It's completely an otter. Holy crap. Our first otter, honey. That's awesome.
Where'd he go?
Under 110% otter.
Oh, 110. Okay.
You know, get the video. I love it.
I didn't really get it. Got our camera out too late and he disappeared.
Look at him.
What was that noise?
It's a crane.
Where's
Cranes
he?
make the weirdest noises.
Oh, he's on the dock there.
Come on, otter. It's my first otter, and he just went right into the water. There's
Hi.
3 otters right there.
Cute.
I told you there's otters. Oh, come on, dudes.
There's still one up there.
We just came to party.
Shh, you're talking so loud, you scare him away. There's still one there. Shh, quiet. Oh, he's looking at us. He's very alert. There he is. Oh, they're so cute. There's 4. They're like, what are you doing here? Oh, look at him. He's marking his territory. Right? That's what he's doing. Because he sees you.
They got a little party going on.
They're so cute. It's like a whole family.
Yeah, they're a team. Look at them. They're just peeling he's peeling muscles off the ground and eating them. They're chewing on it. I think there's another one under the water there.
Yeah, there's a couple hiding from us behind those boats. Those little
What are you dudes doing?
blow-up boats.
Look
hears-
at him, look at me.
He hears you talking.
What are
He's
you
like,
dudes doing?
he's like,
What you up to, man?
you're disturbing me.
What are you eating?
Clam.
Killing it down there, aren't you? He pushed it. Did you see that one shove him in? He's like, you go in, I'll go in after you. I love it.
There's another one.
What's up, dude? See that one pop his head under?
Yeah.
From the left?
Yeah, I knew he was there, hiding from us.
There's no hiding. We know you're there. We're onto you guys.
They're so cute.
They're looking right at us. What up, dudes? Come hang out. I'll buy you a drink.
He's grunting. He's like, no. Get him.
Those are legit sea otters, huh? Those aren't river otters. Those are
No,
big old
because this
boys.
is the sea. This is part of the
Yeah.
sea, the ocean.
Look at you, handsomes.
That looks like some sort of like a small boat launch or something.
Whoa. I see you. I see you. What's up, dude?
They have a nest. They made a nest. There's a bunch of holes all the way down.